Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make text and images bigger in the Vivaldi web browser for Android. Scroll up to go to your apps, scroll over, go to Vivaldi. Now click on the Vivaldi icon in the top right hand corner, and then click on the settings icon which looks like a little gear. Scroll down. Under Web Pages, go to Accessibility. Scroll down. You want to look for Default Zoom. It says make text and images larger or smaller for all sites you visit. Now you can either drag the bar to make the text and images larger, or you can click on the plus sign. If you click on the plus sign once, it goes up by 10%. Now if you drag it, you can go up by 1% at a time. I'm going to increase this to 200 and show you guys what it looks like. As you can see, the text and images are quite a bit larger now. And I'm going to go back into the settings, scroll down again, go to accessibility, scroll down, and I'm going to increase the default zoom to 300%. Now I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. As you can see, once again, it's quite a bit larger. So that is how you make text and images bigger in the Vivaldi web browser for Android.